This is how to hide multiple rows in Microsoft Excel. So I have a table over here with some company data and I want to hide multiple rows in it. So if you already know how to hide a single row, you have to select it and then right click and press hide. But if you want to do this for multiple ones, then it's annoying to select them every time. But luckily you can select the first row that you want to hide, then press the control key and then just select whatever other rows you would like to have hidden at the same time. And if you also have a range of rows, you can select the first one and while holding the mouse key, drag down until the position of the last row that you want to hide. And then you can release the control key and the selection will remain as was initially. Right click and then press hide, and this will ensure that the rows are hidden. So as you can see over here, I no longer have a sequence of numbers because some rows have been hidden. So this is how to do it. Let me know if you liked it. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.